everyone, welcome to OBO channel where we help you create a quick, easy and flavor-packed meal with OBO seasonings. Today we are diving into deliciousness of ultimate fried rice. This bold, protein-packed dish includes steak, bacon and seafood and lots of veggies. Feel free to throw in as many protein or veggies as your heart desires. Let's make this as fancy as we want. To make cooking even easier, I absolutely recommend you using the Swifty Spice for seasonings. It's a fantastic blend of over 15 herbs and spices. Will save you time and money. Trust me, you will love it. Check out the link below to grab yours. Alright then, let's get cooking and have some fun in the kitchen. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you enjoy a quick, comforting meal like this one, please be sure to subscribe to stay updated on more delicious recipes. Are you interested in trying an amazing seasoning that will elevate your dishes? Then check out the OBO seasonings using the link below. I would love to hear from you. So please leave me a comment and feel free to share with me what you'll be creating with OBO seasonings. It's your idea will inspire me. Until next time, take care. Ciao.